Hi my rainbows, it's me Savvy. In today's video we are going to be reviewing reviewing the Pricked Palette and a couple of the collections and stuff. The reason I'm doing it late is because we're packing, because we're moving. So I'm doing it late. And plus I just had the baby. And yeah, so we will be doing a quick review on that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. The palette looks like we have Pale in Comparison, Fashion, HORE, Silver of Sanity, Cutting Edge, Vitamin C Word, Unpeeled Pleasure, Pulp Addiction, Mysterious Circumstances, Papaya Latex, Orange Fatal, almost said Fairy Tale, Twisted Taste, Thorny, Forged, Double Cross, which has a scorpion in it, and it's scorpion season right now. Unblunted, Glimmer of Hope, Slice Me Open, and Deadly Intentions, which has like orange glitter in it. So I will show you the swatches now. The finished look. I really like the shimmer and the two first colors I used. Then I used the one that had the scorpion imprint in the bottom, and it burned my eyes a little bit, and then so did the mascara. The F-proof mascara kind of burned my eyes too. Don't know if that's me or I don't know. I've never had an issue like that with his products before, so that was kind of weird. But and also the oranges kind of feel like drying, kind of like the blood heart or bleeding heart in Bloodlust. It feels like that formulation. Like it feels pretty dry compared to most of his formulations. So I'm not sure if I just got a weird palette or what, but this is a finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, my rainbow.